Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to save a photo from your video file on your Windows 11 PC. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open your video on your movies and TV app. Right click on it, go to open with option, and here you can get the option movies and TV. Just click and open it. Okay, this will open the video on that app. After opening the video, now select your video frame which you want to save that frame as a photo, and here you can get the pencil icon, edit icon. As you can see, just click on it, and here you can get the option save photo from video. Just click on it. Okay, after this guys, it will ask you to save that photo. Just click on save a photo option like this, and here it will ask you to select your file location where you want to save. Just select your file location and click on save. That's it. As you can see guys, our photo was saved. So this is the very easy and very simple method to save a photo from your video file. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.